Hi, this is Ashley, the founder of Think Digital Business, and in this video I am going to teach you how to use Twitter for business. To do this, I will give you some effective tips and strategies which will improve your business skills and make them even better and even stronger. So if you would like to transform your business skills, continue watching this video. Here are some of the benefits of using Twitter for business. You can promote your business, promote your products and services, reach a global audience, generate more leads, build a following and a network. It's good for small and local businesses. You can increase your visibility online. You can reach your ideal target market of customers easier, gain more exposure for your business, and you can build trust and brand awareness both locally and globally. Here are some tips and strategies on how to use Twitter for business. Stay tuned. Tip number 1. Define your purpose and business goals for Twitter. The first thing to consider before you sign up for Twitter is to think about what you want to achieve and leverage the platform for in your business. Here are some Twitter goals that you may have. Do you want to use it to market your company brand? Would you like to engage with your community? Do you want to generate more leads for your online business? Or do you want to increase brand visibility online? These are some of the things you'll need to think about before you start to use Twitter for business. You'll need to be prepared and creative on how you use Twitter. For example, if you are in the online retail business, simply tweeting links to a product's page will not work very well. It will just get lost in the noise. So you will need to implement a strategy of some kind. Tip number 2, learn and understand how the platform works. You can begin using Twitter by going to twitter.com and signing up using an email address. You should choose your username carefully. Try and keep it short, simple, and easy to remember. When you use Twitter, you have a 140 character limit to work with. So if people are replying to you or retweeting you, you will not want to chew up their limit with a long username. Try and go as short as you can while still putting your brand's name front and center. Here are some Twitter terms which include the @reply, RT, which is a retweet, and the hashtag. An @reply is where you put the @ symbol before a username with no spaces, so for example @Twitter, in order to communicate directly with another Twitter user. Here are some details about Twitter terminology. The RT is short for retweet. This is where you resend someone else's message from your own Twitter account, or they do with yours. Retweets will help grow your reach. This is because they will be seen by the other user's followers, so you should aim to get as many retweets as possible. The favoriting a tweet is as simple as clicking on the star that you will see below every tweet. This is similar to the like or liking something on Facebook and shows the world that you approve of another user's message. The hashtag symbol, this is what Twitter users use to indicate a specific topic. Usually the only people who will see your tweets are your own followers. This will be unless someone visits your Twitter page directly. But if you add a subject using a hashtag, everyone who is following that hashtag will see your tweet. You should try and use hashtags often as they are a great way to grow your follower base, but you don't want to overuse them. You should aim for 2 per tweet. Tip number 3, build some followers who would be your ideal target market. You will need a plan. It's no good tweeting if nobody can see what you tweet. The best and easiest way to gain new followers is to tweet interesting, valuable stuff using relevant hashtags. You should avoid using hashtags that are too broad. You will need to think about your brand and your industry and what people interested in that industry might like to see. You should try and keep an eye on the trending topics that show up in your Twitter sidebar. If something relevant to your business is trending, you should use the same hashtag for your content. Following people is another great way to gain followers. Often they will follow you back. You can also use a tool like Tweepie to target who to follow. To build a network, you will need to target your tweets in a really focused way those users who might be interested in what you have to say. Tip number 4, think about the tone and voice of your business or brand. What is your brand or business, and what kind of tone will strike the right note for it? Casual or professional, witty or serious? There will need to be a thorough line between your brand and the tone you use on Twitter. A mismatch could be very negative for your business. For example, if you are selling medical supplies or dental services, you don't want to be too flippant. If you have more than one person tweeting for your brand account, it's important that you talk to everyone who has access about the tone they need to use when communicating your brand on Twitter. So, if you would like further training on how to use Twitter for business in video format, please do go and click the link below the video, or at the very least, go through to our website where you can have a look at our Twitter tutorials training course. I recommend you study this course online because it will teach you how to use Twitter for business in the most effective way. Our online Twitter training course is delivered in a step-by-step manner, so it is perfect for people who have little or no experience with Twitter. Please check out the link below for more information. So now let me hand it over to you. Which technique from this tutorial are you going to use first? You can let me know by leaving a comment below the video right now. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video and I'll be more than happy to help you, and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you, and it would really help us if you gave the video a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best with your Twitter business. Have a brilliant day.